This video is just to let you know the products that I use for face care on a daily routine. This is my daily go-to products that work for me. So I hope they work for you. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. I will put as many videos, many requests, as much as I can do, as much as I learn, because I'm still learning myself. So subscribe, hit the bell, get notifications when I put videos up, and follow along with it. So without further ado, first thing that I use is removing my makeup. This is the Neutrogena makeup wipes. I have been seeing a lot of reviews of people having allergic reactions and things like that to these wipes, but I've used them for probably 10 years, and this is my go-to product to remove my makeup. Nothing seems to work better to pull the mascara off quickly, eyeliner, cleansing, keeping acne away. All of it's in this, so give it a try. I hope you don't have any kind of issues, but I haven't. My next product that I always use after I use the makeup routine I'm kind of going over is my daily, but I'm starting with nighttime because I remove my makeup, and then I always go wash my face with cold water. I'll wet it. Then I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. This stuff is fabulous, fabulous. Foams up, rub it in, wash it off with warm water, you're good to go. And then after I do that, I always come back to my moisturizers, my serums. First thing I always use is this Manuka Doctor Crystal Cashmere. This stuff is just a serum, a touch serum, and it makes your skin soft, silky. It's almost like a good barrier for my skin, and I use it every night. Once I put that on, I let it dry for a couple of seconds because it really absorbs fast on my skin. And then I will start going to my eyes. I use this Garnier pen, and this is the anti-puffiness eye roll-on. What I usually do is I will just roll it on right in that little line right there. And then it just says leave to dry or pat to dry. I just leave it alone and let it go. The next thing that I usually end up doing is Garnier Skin Active Hydro Balm. This is Moisture Rescue. This is Skin Active. This stuff is, I can't live without it. I used to use a lot of the lotions and oils and things like that, but I have found this absorbs so fast and so nice, and it doesn't leave that stickiness to your face. This is perfect, especially right before I put my makeup on, because it's already dry, it's not sticky, it's just got a great surface, and it works great. One of the things that I found with my eyes, I don't know if it was just not enough moisture to them or what was really happening, not good face eye primer or what. But when I would put my eyeshadow on, I would get this texture right about here that almost looked like I was using a sparkly glitter eyeshadow when I'm using a matte. So it was getting very frustrating. So what I started to do is I bought just coconut oil. And literally, this is just what some people would put on their hair, but I got it at the dollar store. I'll take a cotton swab, dab it onto my eyelids, and leave it. And that is pretty much how I sleep at night, leaving it on. When I get up in the morning, it's right back to the shower. It's right back to my Neutrogena cleaner. And then I also have put in with my regimen This is generic Cetaphil, for the most part. I put it on every morning in the shower after I use the Neutrogena. This is to clean. This is to get rid of any acne possibilities. I also once, maybe twice, sometimes even 3 times, it depends on what my face is telling me, to exfoliate. And what I use to exfoliate is St. Ives. I know everybody's surprised by this. This stuff is fabulous. I mean, it does a fabulous job. It scrubs all the dead skins off. It just leaves your face feeling great. The Cetaphil, again, it takes care of the redness, the rosacea, any acne. So far, knock on wood, past 6 months, I have not gotten any acne. I say 6 months. 3 months is what I've been researching and doing this. No acne, no blemishes, nothing on my face. I have used this regimen every day religiously. In talking to some more experienced people, makeup artists and things like that, my dermatologist, it's about the consistency. It's not so much of the products. It is a lot to do with the products, don't get me wrong. But if you read what your face is telling you, need an exfoliation, need hydration, need redness clearance, need acne clearance, it'll tell you what it needs. And it's all about just giving it what it needs. This cashmere serum, this actually came in one of my subscription boxes. And I will be continuing to get this because this is very, very much, it's just that silkiness to add to all of the other things. All of the other things that I've showed you have been what my face has asked me for. Hydration, exfoliation, acne clearance. And these things work for me. So, I advise you, listen to what your face is saying. Treat it the way it's asking you to. If it needs to be exfoliated, go exfoliate. Try some. It's not the expensive products that always works. It's the consistency that makes it work. So, I will be posting more as I learn, more research as I do. Let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye.